Claude Code has rapidly evolved into an incredibly potent tool for agentic coding. This March, Anthropic released a massive wave of updates, fundamentally changing the landscape.
The standout addition is undoubtedly computer use. Exclusively for Mac right now, this feature empowers Claude Code to literally operate your desktop alongside executing complex shell skills.
It doesn't rely on traditional APIs. Instead, it can directly open applications, click on buttons, and fill out forms just like a human would. If an element is visible on your screen, Claude can interact with it.
This opens up entirely new workflows, allowing the agent to autonomously control legacy software, custom internal tools, and visual interfaces.
Another major architectural shift is the introduction of channels. This allows external platforms to push messages straight into your Claude Code session.
Currently, it integrates seamlessly with Telegram, Discord, and even iMessage. Paired perfectly with channels is the new permission relay feature. When Claude hits a sensitive or risky task requiring authorization, it no longer leaves you hanging at your desk.
Instead, Permission Relay sends a notification directly to your phone via your connected channel. You can review the proposed action and simply tap to approve or deny it from anywhere, enabling truly autonomous, long-running agent workflows while you are away from the keyboard.
For enterprise and team users, Claude Code now offers a robust multi-agent code review system. It spins up parallel sub-agents to analyze your pull requests for security, performance, and code correctness simultaneously, functioning like a senior engineering team. Alongside this, the memory system fundamentally upgrades how the AI retains information with Memory 2.0. You can now define custom paths for your memory files using the Auto Memory Directory setting. Additionally, the new /dream command enables Claude to autonomously clean up its own memory files in the background, pruning outdated notes and consolidating information, so your agent's context remains sharp and organized without manual intervention.
Visual development gets a massive boost with App Preview, available exclusively on the Claude Code desktop app. This gives Claude the ability to visually see your running web application through a built-in panel. It can independently click elements, trigger hover states, read console errors, and identify bugs without you having to manually point them out. For continuous monitoring, the new /loop command acts as a recurring alarm. You can instruct Claude to repeat a specific action at set intervals, like checking if a server is online every 5 minutes. This creates a highly effective active monitoring loop that runs persistently until you close the session.
Task automation is further enhanced by robust cron scheduling via the upgraded /schedule command and the new schedulable cloud functionality. Previously, scheduled tasks required your local machine to stay awake. Now, Anthropic hosts a remote scheduler, allowing you to queue up cloud-based recurring tasks that execute perfectly even when your computer is completely turned off. If you need to step away while a task is running, the remote control feature has you covered. By activating remote control, you generate a secure link that instantly transfers your active terminal session directly to the Claude mobile app, giving you the exact same context on any device. Workflow interruptions are solved with the brilliant /btw command. If Claude Code is in the middle of a massive, time-consuming operation, you can type /btw followed by a side question. Claude will spin up a separate background panel to answer you immediately without derailing or pausing the main task. All of these features are supercharged by a monumental context window upgrade. Claude Opus 4.6 now processes a staggering 1 million tokens. To put that in perspective, it can hold roughly 750,000 words in its working memory simultaneously. You can load entire massive codebases or several dense books, practically eliminating the dreaded context loss issues of older tools. Team and enterprise users gain access to Auto Mode, a critical feature that bridges the gap between tedious manual approvals and dangerous total autonomy.
Auto Mode utilizes a separate safety classifier model to automatically run safe, routine commands, but strictly halts and asks for permission before executing destructive actions.
Output capacity has also surged, with doubled output tokens now pushing the limit to 128,000 tokens for massive, uninterrupted code generation. Finally, setting up workspaces is smarter with Init v2. It deeply analyzes your existing local codebase to automatically draft a highly accurate project briefing document from day one, drastically accelerating your onboarding.